attack. I don't know what's going on. Look. Whoa. Yo, they're everywhere. Okay, I'm panicking. I don't know where Agent Gabe was at. You guys, this is crazy, man. Agent Gabe is calling. He's calling. This alarm, though. Hello?
You have strict orders from the higher-ups to get to the second floor to pick up a briefcase. This is not a drill. This is an emergency. You copy?
Yeah, wait, why do you sound like that, though? What's going on? Who's attacking us?
Hurry up and get to the second floor, you ugly fuck there. Listen, brief.
Yes, sir. Going over there right now. Hey, guys, come on. This is amazing, man. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully everyone's being under attack right now. I'm panicking. I'm shaking right now, guys. Come on. We have to go to the second floor, guys. Second floor. I don't know where the hell is the second floor. This is actually my second time at this headquarters right here. Oh, second floor. You guys see that? You guys might not be able to see it. Only demons can see it. Hello? Come on, guys. Yo! Hey, what are you guys doing here?
What do you mean? You got the alarm, right? What's his name? The guy in the briefcase. What's the guy?
I just want to keep shaking my thing, man.
I know me too.
OBUNGA!
We gotta get the OBUNGA briefcase.
Well, I don't know what's going on. What's the plan? What's going on? Why are we being under attack?
The OBUNGA guy came in and he wants his briefcase in. I got this guy to help us solve the case,
And it's my day off. Man, I thought we could have a little dance party up here.
Is this level 2?
Oh, it's a certain level.
It's a level.
Yeah.
It's a certain level.
Like how high?
It's pretty high. I mean, it's pretty high.
Yeah.
You get pretty high up here in this level.
Yeah. We're high up.
I want to get high too.
No, you're already high up. You're on the roof right now.
Yeah, on this level.
Get on our level.
Well, you stand on the level.
You guys do realize we're being under attack, right?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what the beep was happening.
Oh, I thought it was an invitation to the
The whole
No.
building's being... You know, like 3 agents are dead, right?
What do you mean?
3 agents are dead.
Who died?
You guys are over here.
I didn't even know you had that many employees, but first of all, congratulations for having employees now. I thought it was only you two bozo heads who own the company. Didn't know you had that many employees. Now 3 of them.
We're global.
Round of applause.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of employees, but a lot of them die.
Mm-hmm.
Join the KGA.
We need more.
Why'd you do that?
We got a phone call. He got a phone call. Don't ask me how I know him telepathic. We gotta look for a briefcase.
Briefcase? What's the briefcase about?
What's the briefcase about?
It's about OBUNGA.
It's about OBUNGA.
Who's about to...
Don't ask me.
Guys,
What?
Oh, what's that? Okay, I'm sorry. It's Saturday night.
Yeah, it's a little tipsy. I mean, so what did you see?
I don't know. There's something right there.
Where?
Did they tell you how it looks?
No. I do see something though.
How can you see? I can't see nothing.
Well, I mean, we're kind of special because we're not human.
That does not look human, all right.
Yeah, when we connect together, we actually create this new power. Like, let's show them how we'll connect
Through our butt. I mean,
look, you should have told you. No, right there.
go pick it up.
You open. Who's gonna open it? I'm not gonna open it.
Not me.
I'm not gonna. There's a picture on it.
Look.
What is that? Oh my God! It is the OBUNGA briefcase.
God,
No, not dude. Those are the aliens from Mars.
open it.
I dare you to open it.
Why me?
We'll stand back.
I don't want to open it. You open it.
I'm good.
Cameraman, you open it.
What?
Tony Grande!
It's supposed to record!
No, you're gonna open this. What was it called again?
OBUNGA.
OBUNGA. Here, I'll open it.
You want to open?
You come over here though. Stand back because this might be a bomb, guys. Might be a bomb.
So am I opening or are you? He's opening. Get over here, weirdo.
Get over here.
Come on.
Oh, now he wants to.
I don't want to die alone. I mean, I don't want to open it alone.
Can we go to Hooters afterward?
Hey, wait, don't open it yet.
Oh, what?
If you guys open it, you guys going to Hooters?
I kind of want to go somewhere else tonight.
Where?
I kind of want to open it now.
This is a crazy
Guys,
video.
it's glowing.
What do you mean?
It's glowing.
What do you mean?
I don't know. There's something in there. Yeah.
Oh! Whoa!
No.
Oh!
Hell is that?
What?
Guys, what's in this?
Whoa!
This is life changing right here, guys.
Can I touch it?
Take it out, dude.
No,
touch it?
No, we can't. Guys, we can't. We gotta take this.
What do we? That's why we're under attack. That's all, people.
It is, guys.
Why you gotta?
I'm
We're under
not.
attack because what's in the suitcase here?
Dude, this is so cursed, dude. What do we do?
Look at it. Have you seen it, bro? Come look at it. Come
Dude,
look
it's
at
really
it. Here,
shiny.
I'll hold the camera for you.
Ready? Be careful.
Holy crap!
So now you know what we have in our hands.
Yes? That could go for millions!
I don't know what to do right now. Look, one of them are watching. Look, they're watching us from their space shuttle.
Oh crap!
We have to get out of here.
Guys, but I'm out of here.
Oh god!
Good dancing, Gabe.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay, come on!
Oh, we're under.
We gotta hide, guys.
What are we gonna do with the briefcase? They will hold to it. I don't want to hold on to this. This is life changing. That's your problem now, buddy. You're trying to call me interested.
It's both your guys' problem now.
Oh, what? He's gone, dude. He's gone.
You're gonna leave me alone, are you? Camera guy?
No, I wouldn't do that, dude. I wouldn't.
I'm gonna place this right here. I knew I could count on you.
Just leave him there, kids.
What do I do? What do we do? He's stupid. Look at him. Look at his stupid face. Look at his stupid butt, dude.
You guys.
Hey, Tony!
What is it?
Hey, Tony, please! Let me inside. Go.
Go.
Let me inside. Go.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, we're not here.
Leave a message after the beep.
We're gone. We're gone. We're not hiding.
Hello?
Sorry, Daniel.
We're definitely not hiding.
Shh. We're hiding from Daniel. Agent Daniel. You know, guys, I feel kind of bad.
I have an idea. Let's scare him.
Is he still crying? What is that we're doing? What the hell?
I'm trying to hide. He's hyperventilating.
Dude, you know you can't be so mean to him, dude.
That's right. I know.
Dude, what do we do?
He's still looking at you.
Oh, what's up? Let me see. Agent Daniel.
Yeah, baby.
You guys, take the briefcase.
What are we doing?
Take the briefcase and save yourself. Don't let
What do we
anyone
do
see
with the
it.
briefcase?
What did he say, you guys? He said take the what?
He said take the things in his pockets.